Hello, welcome to the first lesson of basic furniture. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
Here with Habineza Michelle. We are both trainers at Rubenja TVET School.
We will have 4 videos where we will produce the sample vanity.
Let's begin with preparation of pieces.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabriel Devota, a carpentry trainer at Rubenja TVET School. Today we have first session about how to make sample vanity. The objectives of this session is that at the end you will be able to select well materials. The second one is that you will be able to prepare well all material you will be used. I request you to follow attentively and even take some notes because you will need them in the future. The main part of sample vanity are top panel, the part which will cover the top. We have sides. We have this bottom part, or we can call it intermediate buttons, and you have drawers. When you reach in length and width, even thickness, you have to specify that you are going to use millimeters. And when you reach in comments, you have to make sure that everyone who will use this wood catalog will understand where the comments. For example, if your pieces will be cut on angle, you have to put the angle you are planned in your comments. Normally, a wooden project can be made out of hardwood or softwood, and for us, we decided to use softwood for making our project. That's why we are going to select timber for making our project. For us, we decided to use cypress for making our project, and we are going to select timber which can provide good aesthetic. While selecting timber, as usual, we have to use hydrometer for making sure that our timber are well dried, and you have to use folding ruler to measure the dimension of our timber. After timber selection, the following is material preparation. In material preparation, we need various machines like trim saw, surface planer, thicknesser, and circular saw. While working with those machines, we need also PPE like air protection, tight gloves, and security shoes. Measure and mark where you want to cut. Make sure that working piece is touching on fence or stud. Hold machine with both hands and pull machine to cut. The side with convex should lay on working table. You have first to check side with concave, and then the concave side should be laid on table of machine. The planet side should be laid on table of machine. Adjust parallel fence according to the size you want to cut your pieces. Remember to use push stick when you reach nearby saw blade. Hold piece with both hands and you have to press piece down, especially when you reach on outfeed table. After cutting piece on circular saw, you have to joint the remaining side on thicknesser to get the needed size. While planing pieces, you have to check good side and lay it on table of machine and plane the bad side. Adjust cross-cutting fence according to the size you need. When you cut pieces in length, first you cut one end grains to make it square or rectangle, and then cutted side should be laid on cross-cutting fence. Measure moisture content in wood by using hydrometer. You put the two spool or tip of hydrometer and press it to enter in wood. While pressing, it is counting the percentage of moisture content in wood. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.